Hi, the next books I'm going to talk about will actually series, but I haven't finished them yet. I'm only on the third book. It's Charlene Harris's Dead Until Dark, well, the Sookie Stackhouse series, which is the True Blood series, which is on TV at the minute. The books that I've read are really, really interesting. I love proper vampire books, not Twilight. But yeah, really an interesting series. I'm only caught the first 8, and even though there's 13 altogether. There's Dead Until Dark, Club Dead. These are in order, but yeah, that's the second one. Living Dead in Dallas, which is the latest one I've read, which is the third series in the thing. It's with the Maynard and stuff. And then there's Dead as a Doornail, Altogether Dead, From Dead to Earth. I actually got 2 copies of that by accident, or my dad did anyway, got me one for Christmas. Dead to the World, which is the most interesting one that I saw by the blurb, and Definitely Dead. They've all got dead in the name, obviously, because apparently in the books the vampires are dead, which they are in most stories about vampires. The next series I'm going to talk about is obviously the Harry Potter series. I've got these copies and the American versions, apart from Goblet of Fire. But yeah, one of my favourite series of all time. It is my favourite series of all time. I've read the books like thousands of times. This is my 5th copy of the English one because they've all fallen apart. And there's the Chamber of Secrets. As you can see, it's all falling apart. It's been used that many times. Chamber of Secrets. And that's probably my least favourite of the series. Prisoner of Azkaban. I always preferred the American copies, to be honest, because they're bigger and, yeah, a lot better illustrations on them. Yeah, as you can see, this one's falling to bits and all. Really, that's why I got the American copies, waiting for that to come in. Lost all the outer wrappers for these. Now, it's been absolutely ages. This is the best copy out of hardback that I've ever had because it hasn't fallen to pieces, and this one's probably the one that I've read the most out of the series, apart from number 6, which, as you can see, is coming apart at the seams. But yeah, this one's my favourite of the series because it's where Dumbledore unfortunately dies in it, but it's most interesting.